If you're looking for a delicious and healthy chocolate dessert with no flour, no added sugar, and no bake, you might want to try this delicious raspberry chocolate coconut dessert. Welcome to our health and wellness family. Now let's start with some real butter and cacao powder. Grab a bowl and let's begin. We're gonna use about 1 stick and 1/3 of butter. We're gonna break the butter into smaller pieces. We're gonna use some hot water to melt the butter. You can melt the butter on a stove if you want, but be careful not to burn the butter. The butter is almost melted. We want the butter all the way melted. Now the butter is ready. We're gonna add about 3/4 cup of cacao powder. Pour the cacao powder into the butter slowly and keep mixing. Cacao powder helps to improve brain function, helps with mood, digestion. It also provides benefits for the skin and helps with circulation and lots more. Keep stirring the mixture until we get a nice smooth consistency. We're gonna use an organic monk fruit sweetener. We're not using any sugar. Go ahead and test the mixture to make sure the sweetness is to your liking. This is the consistency you want. Now get some cupcake paper to pour the mixture in. These cupcake papers were a little bit too thin, so you'll see me double up further in the video. I have lots of simple desserts like these in my natural and holistic health course. The link is in the description. Pour some of the mixture into each of the cupcake paper. Now go ahead and break up some raspberries into small bits. Add the small pieces of raspberry to each of the cacao mixture. Raspberries have lots of antioxidants, fiber, and the cancer-fighting ellagic acid. This is such a quick and healthy dessert to make. You can have a healthy and delicious dessert in minutes. You can have eaten the dessert like this by freezing it for 15 minutes, but I'm gonna add a few additional ingredients. We're gonna add some coconut shreds for an additional burst of flavor and sweetness. We're gonna add a little bit of coconut shreds to each of the dessert. We're gonna add some dark chocolate with raspberry bits in it. Break the chocolate into smaller pieces so it's easier to melt. Look at the delicious raspberry bits in it. Here I'm doubling up on the cupcake paper. Now we're going to add some hot water to melt the chocolate. Here's a quick tip. You could also melt the chocolate into the cacao mixture earlier, but I wanted to add some layers. Put some melted chocolate on top of each of the dessert. Put a raspberry on top of each of the 4 desserts. Now put the dessert in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Just remove the paper and we're all done. The dessert is all done and ready. Look at this delicious and yummy dessert. A healthy dessert within minutes. Chocolatey goodness. Now let's try one of these yummy desserts. Look at all the layers of raspberry and coconut inside the dessert. Yummy! And to help you improve your health, I've created a natural and holistic health guide. And for more healthy recipes like these, please check out my book and my natural and holistic health course. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.